How to fix this channel can't be displayed on Telegram app. So hello guys, all what you have to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to apps and then go to Telegram app informations. Now here on this page you will find all the app informations and settings. All what you have to do here is very simple. First thing, click on this for stop to stop running the app, and then go down, click on the storage. After that, click down here on this clear cache to clear all the cache. As you can see, go back, click on this open by default option, go to this open supported links in this app and make sure that it's on always allow. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video. See you later.